Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to improve study skills. First, let's talk about setting up for success. Begin by defining clear academic goals for each subject you are studying. Then, break down any large assignments into smaller, more manageable tasks. This approach makes daunting projects feel much less overwhelming. Finally, establish a consistent study schedule and commit to following it every day. This routine builds discipline and ensures regular progress. Next, let's dive into active learning techniques that truly make a difference. Instead of passively reading, try summarizing key concepts in your own words immediately after you finish a section. A powerful method is to teach difficult topics to a friend or even a family member. Explaining it solidifies your understanding. Also, consistently practice problem solving using past exam questions to prepare for assessments. Now, let's explore strategies to boost your memory and ensure long-term retention. Flashcards are incredibly effective for memorizing vocabulary, formulas, and important dates across all subjects. For more complex information, try creating mnemonic devices like acronyms or vivid mental images to link new data to existing knowledge. Remember to review material frequently using spaced repetition, perhaps every 2 or 3 days, to reinforce learning. Finally, remember that your well-being is crucial for effective studying. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night to allow your brain to consolidate information. During your study sessions, take short, regular breaks, perhaps 5 to 10 minutes every hour, to prevent burnout and maintain focus. Also, maintain a balanced diet and stay well hydrated throughout the day for optimal brain function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.